searching for specific photos using a text phrase, removing background objects from the photos, summarizing the text. We, the app makers, can take advantage of these on-device AI features. In our photo gallery app, we are adding a semantic search, an AI algorithm that matches photos to the provided text query. This is possible directly in React Native, thanks to our in-house libraries, namely React Native Executor and React Native RAG.
So what is semantic search and how does it differ from regular one? In traditional algorithm, we use tags attached to photos. In a semantic approach, we rely on the meaning of both the query as well as the images. This allows us to find the pictures whose content is closest to the search phrase. Let's get the meaning of the image. For this, we can turn to AI for help. What we need is an AI model that, given a picture, can return a list of numbers called embedding vectors. The trick is that those embeddings are similar for any two images that share some features. This can be done with AI models like Clip. The model can also process text to similar embeddings. Thanks to this, we can convert our search phrase to numbers, then compare them with our images and return those that are the best match. Thanks to React Native Executor and React Native RAG, we can implement semantic search with very little effort. First, let's create a helper image embeddings class. It is just a simple wrapper to implement embeddings interface. Now, using predefined constants from React Native Executor, we can fetch necessary AI models. The last thing to do before we can start processing our images is a database. For that, we'll create another class implementing the vector store interface. Since we want to search for the closest match amongst long list of numbers, we need to use a vector index. To make the process efficient, we need to compute embeddings for all our photos beforehand. Beware, this can take some time depending on the device and the number of pictures we want to process. Let's take a step back and look at the search process. When a user enters a prompt, we start by converting the text into an AI embedding vector. Now, to find the pictures matching the query, we need to compare it with all our images. And just like that, we found the best match. So how does it look in code? We start by computing the search embedding by using our AI model. Then we look up all pictures with a similarity score lower than a predefined value. All that is left is to present the results to the user.
Whenever we type in some text query, the AI magic is happening, and in a few moments we are getting the accurate results. If you want to dive deeper, check out the article linked in the description below. And for more content like this, make sure to follow our channel. Bye!